Good afternoon, brothers and sisters of the briar, lovers of the leaf. This is Murdoch Hendricks, Thursday afternoon, May the 29th. Just wanted to touch base with everybody. I have been a little under the weather since Saturday, and I really haven't felt better until Tuesday night, I guess. Hadn't smoked. You know I don't feel good if I'm not smoking. And yes, that's thunder in the background. North Florida is in the midst of its summer thunderstorms. I think the high is going to be like 91 or 92 today. And then after the rain, of course, you've got bucket loads of steam. Well, I hope everybody's doing fine and they had a good Memorial Day weekend. I know I sat around, laid around on the couch and watched quite a few old movies, war movies, of course. I'll probably try to post a video maybe later today or tomorrow. I've got an order that I'm putting together for pipesandcigars.com for some pipe tobacco. And I think I've got about 20 items on it, and probably 17 items are pipe tobacco. So maybe I'll read the list off, and you guys can tell me yay or nay, or even add to the list. I'll see about getting that done later tonight. Probably tomorrow. I'm smoking my Aristocob Bent Country Gentleman, favorite of mine. And of course my favorite, just about every day when I'm not feeling crappy, some Carter Hall. Oh. Well, like I said, I just want to touch base with everybody. Say hello. Been watching some videos. Thanks for all the comments on my last video. Appreciate that. I think I've replied to everyone. And thank you for all the subscribers. Well, that's about enough for today. I'm going to finish this bowl of Carter Hall. And I want to wish everybody out there peace and happy smoking.